According to Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, the price of Bitcoin will keep going up forever, regardless of periodic slumps in the market. According to him, Bitcoin price could $1 million per coin. Saylor, who personally owns at least 17,732 Bitcoin, currently worth $866 million, believes the crypto is still far from its long-term potential. In a recent CNBC interview, the MicroStrategy CEO asserted, "Our view is Bitcoin will be volatile because it is connected to the whole crypto market and new, but the price will go up forever." The Bitcoin bull head of software intelligence firm MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, reportedly disclosed a personal Bitcoin stash worth $866 million. According to a Markets Insider report, Saylor said in a November interview with the information that besides his publicly listed company's goal of accumulating Bitcoin, he also has similar aims. The chief executive reportedly owns at least 17,732 Bitcoin. Saylor has never sold any of his Bitcoin, and in general, he doesn't believe you should sell your Bitcoin, per the report. The MicroStrategy CEO reportedly said he envisions a Bitcoin price of $6 million per coin in the future, a 12,000% increase over current levels. Saylor has been outspoken about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, most notoriously drawing a line between the two. In a November Twitter Spaces hosted by Bitcoin Magazine, the chief executive bashed out the standard recommendation to diversify investments. In August 2020, Saylor's software business purchased $250,000 worth of Bitcoin, turning the peer-to-peer or P2P currency into its primary treasury reserve asset. The company has made several new buys since, leveraging cash flows, debt, and equity, while benefiting from Bitcoin dips as it steps up and acquires Bitcoin at a discount. MicroStrategy's latest purchase was made earlier this month when it bought $82 million worth of Bitcoin. It currently holds approximately 122,478 Bitcoin. This now sets MicroStrategy's overall Bitcoin haul at an average purchase price of approximately $30,000 per token. Plus, the total value of crypto in MicroStrategy's possession is now roughly $5.9 billion. If you are a believer in Bitcoin and in crypto in general, then don't fail to smash the like button. This greatly helps the channel to grow as it helped the YouTube algorithm to find more audience for loves Bitcoin and crypto. The Virginia-based analysis software maker first made its foray to Bitcoin in 2019. This was when the company bought about $250,000 worth of the prominent digital currency. Today, that value is now commendably worth a hefty $1 billion. MicroStrategy initially reaped massive returns with its venture into Bitcoin in 2020. However, the company has only realized tiny profits on the money it deposited this year. The price of Bitcoin is up by about 70% since the beginning of 2021. However, it is still 29% lower than its all-time high of over $68,000 last month. Comparatively, MicroStrategy's reserves increased by about 40%, while the benchmark S&P 500 gained 22.33%. Saylor is a longtime devotee of Bitcoin and has never sold any of his digital currencies to date. As a matter of fact, the MicroStrategy CEO does not believe you should sell your Bitcoin, as he is bullish on its price. His most recent assertion that the leading crypto would eventually surge more than 1,200% from current levels is hardly surprising to many. This is because back in February, Saylor predicted the market cap of Bitcoin would one day hit $100 trillion. Put in perspective, this means that Saylor is expecting the Bitcoin market cap to double the current value of the US stock market. Saylor converted nearly all of MicroStrategy's cash into Bitcoin. He even resorted to borrowing more than $2 billion in debt to buy more of the volatile crypto. So strong is Saylor's belief in Bitcoin and the larger world of digital assets that he once famously prophesied. One day, billions of people will hold digital property. We want to get there before billions of people get there. Saylor also refers to Bitcoin on Twitter as electric money and uses other catchy metaphors to define the leading digital currency. No one really knows where the MicroStrategy CEO affinity for Bitcoin originated from, however, it continues to serve him well. Saylor also once famously lost $6 billion in personal wealth over 21 years ago. At the time, this was due to MicroStrategy's price per share plummeting from $226.75 to $86.75 in a single day. Are you a strong believer in Bitcoin like Michael Saylor? And do you really think Bitcoin will get to $6 million per coin someday? Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Till our next video, stay savvy.